Okay, so welcome to Euron everyone, and I'm happy to announce that from tomorrow we are going to start our new boot camp, and that is going to be a Python with DSA, where even if you are a fresher or maybe you are a college dropout or maybe you are in a first, second, third year of your BTech, BCA, MCA or any other stream. So if you would like to learn programming, that's a very first part. And then if you would like to add a DSA flavor on top of your programming concept, in depth obviously, so you can join this particular batch from tomorrow. So let me share my screen, and here it is. So this batch is going to start, like I said, from tomorrow. So tomorrow is our 14th September 2025. So we are going to start an induction session for this particular batch, and the timing, as we have already mentioned over here, so timing is going to be a 4 p.m. IST. So let me highlight that part. So timing is going to be 4 p.m. IST to 7 p.m. IST, Saturday and Sunday. So tomorrow is Sunday, by the way. So yeah, tomorrow we'll be having a class, and from next weekend onwards, so Saturday and Sunday, we'll be having a class on this particular time, this specific time. And yeah, so what we are going to discuss in this particular batch. So we have already published a in-depth, in-detail syllabus. Yeah, as you can see over here. So we are going to start with a complete scratch. So we are not expecting any kind of a prerequisite for this particular batch. So you are not supposed to aware about anything, believe me. So it's completely fine if you are completely new to a programming. We are going to start with a system setup, where you will try to do a setup for doing all programming kind of a stuff, and then starting from a variable and then loop or if else kind of a statement, function, modules, string manipulation and object oriented programming. So all of these things we are going to discuss, and if you are already aware about it, that's completely fine. So it will be a kind of a revision for all of you, right? Because maybe it's been a very long time since you have not done a revision. So this is going to give you a very good amount of a revision. Simple, right? And then we are going to start a core concept of data structure and algorithm. So where we are going to talk about a time complexity, a space complexity, big O, omega, theta kind of a notation, which is pretty much important for anyone who is going to start with the data structure and algorithm in any programming language, not just in Python. So these are the core concept, and then there is a concept about array and list, and then string, and then recursion, backtracking, sorting, and a searching. And here you can see a hashing, dictionary, stack, queue, linked list, tree, binary tree, heap priority, graph. So many more things we are going to discuss till a dynamic programming. Plus at the end of this entire thing, so we are going to do a small project as well, even with respect where we are going to use an actual concept of a data structure and algorithm. So this batch will be taken care by Ramendra. I will be available inside your group. I will be available inside your induction session. I will be available inside a group in a way that if you will be having any kind of a query, if you will be having any kind of a concern, so obviously me along with my team and along with your mentor, I'm going to handle those things. But yeah, the primary mentor is going to be Ramendra, so who has joined Google recently, and he is going to share a lot of experience with all of you. His Google is not his first company, so he has already worked in a multiple companies, and he is going to share all of these product-based companies approach, and how interview is going to happen, what kind of things they are going to ask, what you should prepare, how you should prepare, how many problem you are supposed to solve, maybe 100, 200 or maybe a 500, everything he is going to answer. And if you have any kind of like a doubt with respect to anything, maybe with respect to a career, maybe with respect to roadmap that you are looking for, so yes, we all are going to help you out here inside this batch, the way we are helping in other batches as well. So nothing new. And again, so if I'll talk about a price, so I think we are the most affordable in this entire world in terms of giving a live classes. So we are, yeah. So even this batch you will be able to find out with a super affordable price. So as you can see, so this entire batch you will be able to find out with a super affordability, and everything will be happening is going to happen in a complete interactive mode, the way we try to deliver other batches. So in the similar manner, so we are going to deliver this particular batch as well. And inside a Euron, so we have an ecosystem for many things which is required for your journey. So for example, we have a Yuri, so which is nothing but a chat GPT with a multi-model access, Yuri API, internship portal, resume AI, job portal, Avni AI, for doing a real-time interview preparation. So each and everything, right? Each and everything is available to all of you by default if you are a part of this particular batch. And if you have Euron Plus, so again, you have this particular access by default for a particular tenure. So hope all of you are going to love it. All of you are going to like it, and see you inside a class tomorrow at sharp 4 p.m. IST.